waits for none. The value of time is well spoken by many. But still, we don't feel perfect in time management. Here comes Shazil to make us punctual even more.
Good evening, respected principal, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Today I will talk about value of time. Time is a precious and one lost it cannot be regained. We should use our time wisely. Wasting time means missing out on opportunities. Time management is the important success by planning our day. We can achieve more every second God so make it. Virtual punctuality shows respect for others, good use of time to a balanced life. Procrastination is a thief of time. Setting goals help us stay focused. Remember, time waits for no one. Let's value our time and make the most of it. Thank you.